Was it perhaps by then too late to reappraise? Were we committed politically to support the Americans, to go with them whatever, and militarily, because by then our military preparations were going into high gear?
I don't think it was too late. I wouldn't go that far.
But we were committed at that point.
People have testified to say if the House of Commons vote had gone the other way, we wouldn't have been able to proceed. If the attorney had not given us the advice that it was legal for us to proceed, we wouldn't have proceeded.
Those are two situations in which perhaps we couldn't have proceeded.
I think the point I was making and would make again now is that, having got where we did by the end of 2002, not to have proceeded then without, as it were, very strong reasons, such as Saddam actually opening up and meeting the conditions, would have given us a real problem by that stage. In other words, having indicated an intention, with conditions, to work with the United States on the military track, to have gone back at that point would have carried risks and doubts. That's all I'm saying.
Right. Before we reach that point, did you see a point at which the government at the most senior decision-making levels had fully reviewed and thrashed out the whole range of its options?
I never saw that process taking place. As I say, I wasn't party to those discussions in number 10.
But you never saw that process taking place?
Not personally.
Okay. Can I now turn directly to the relationship with the United States, which clearly is of great strategic?
Sorry, when I say I never saw it taking place, it doesn't mean to say it didn't take place.
I know, but you, as permanent secretary to the MOD, were not aware that such a strategic review of options had taken place, and one might reasonably assume that you would have been, if it had, that you would have heard of it through your Secretary of State. Surely, you were quite likely have been involved in it, but these were only presumptions.
All I'm saying is that there were lots of meetings that ministers had.
We have been told that there were lots of meetings.
But the details were recorded at the time or not? Yes.
There are rather few records of these meetings. There are very few details of them. It is not clear who was at them. The question I was asking, you have answered very clearly. Thank you.